What if I tell you the reason why you're not having views, getting new subscribers, having YouTube recommendation is not because you don't make good videos, you don't make good thumbnails. So what if I tell you the reason is how you post your videos like this? You see the small plus sign on your phone can ruin the views on your videos. And wait, let me tell you why. Well, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to upload your video rightly so you can get views, subscribers, and recommendations from YouTube. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to it. Now, the reason why you stop using this plus sign while uploading on your phone is because most of the YouTube settings and features are not there. Now, let me tell you how to do this correctly. Instead of using your phone to upload, just use your laptop instead. If you don't have a laptop, I still have another way for you. You can go to your Chrome browser and type youtubestudio.com. Then put your phone on desktop mode. Now at this point, your phone is automatically working as your laptop, the same display and the same feature. Now I'm going to be telling you the settings the YouTube app has on a laptop and which is different from phones. The first one is called the advanced thumbnail control. If you're uploading using your laptop or the Chrome desktop site on your phone, you can upload high quality thumbnails that will also compress it better, which also leaves some quality details and textures in your thumbnails. So when you upload your thumbnails on your phone, the quality just drops. You won't see the clear versions of your thumbnail because it actually compresses lesser than you think. Now, another thing you should know about uploading through your laptop or the Chrome desktop site is because you have the option of the A/B testing. Now, what is A/B testing? This is a YouTube settings whereby YouTube gives you the option to upload multiple thumbnails, probably 4 to 5 thumbnails. Immediately you upload 1 to 5 thumbnails. This is what YouTube does. They show the 5 thumbnails to your viewers, but not at the same time. They let your viewers click the best one they want. Now, the thumbnail that has the most click wins. YouTube later shows you that this is the thumbnail that is best for the video, that gives you more views. Now, the sweet part, you can also do this for the title. You can upload 4 to 5 titles like the thumbnails. YouTube will help you analyze which one performs better, which one gets more click, and that helps you boost your views. Which on the other hand, the phone doesn't have this feature while uploading. Now, the second feature that the laptop has, which your phone doesn't have, is called the end screen. End screens are called when your video is about to end, you select a particular video, you want your viewers to click next or you want YouTube to recommend next. This is a way of promoting your next video or your previous video. Now the third one is called the info cards, which also works the same way your end screen works. But this time you can suggest a video while your current video is still playing. It's a way of promoting another video which is in your channel and also helps you to recommend your channel more. The fourth setting is called the detailed video element timeline. How does this work? In your laptop or your Chrome desktop site, you can actually edit your video or correct your video while uploading your video. This is why YouTube created their own timeline. You can remove sound and add sound and even cut out the parts you don't want in your video and which your phone doesn't have. The sixth one is the audience and monetization settings. On the laptop or desktop sites, there's a feature that helps you know your monetization, whereby you have so many options to control your monetization. If you want to turn off your monetization or if you want to keep it on, which your phone has limited control. The seventh one is called the tags and SEO optimization. On laptop, you can easily edit your tags, descriptions, manage your SEO properly. It makes it more flexible and easy because it's a big screen. But when you upload through your phone, you don't actually see the tags. Not recently, they just added it on phone. You cannot add subtitles or captions while uploading on your phone. You need to use your laptop or your desktop site on your phone. You can edit, upload, and synchronize subtitles properly using your laptop or desktop site. The ninth one is called the chapters or timestamping formatting, which is easy to format and edit on laptops. But on phone, there's no feature like that. 10th one is called the bulk editing and playlist. While using your laptop or desktop, you can select a bunch of videos and probably delete it at once or edit it at once. Probably you want to add description. When you select all the videos, you can select it with one click. When you want to edit, you can just edit the description at once. If you want it to be same thing, with one click, you can go to the description, edit it at once. With one click, you can go to the tags, edit it at once. When you do the auto select, you select everything at the same time. But on phone, you have to do this one by one, which is time consuming and stressful at the same time. The 11th one is called the copyright check and restrictions. On laptop, you can easily fix copyright issues. You can easily replace copyright songs or videos by trimming them out on the desktop site, which is easy and it helps you prevent copyright strikes. But on your phone, there are limited settings when you have a copyright strike. It is hard for you to remove or even erase that song. You have to go to your YouTube desktop site to have more features on that. Now, the next one is called the analysis, which is the most important out of all. Now, while uploading on your laptop or your desktop site, you can actually see the analytics of a particular video or your previous video. You can study it, know what went wrong, know when people left the video, know how long people watched the video, know how many people swiped away. But on your phone, you can't have access to that, which is totally different. But the only thing your phone does in the aspect is just to show you where people are watching from, the age of people that are watching your videos. That's the only thing your phone does. I hope now you understand why you should not be uploading through your phone directly. You should either use your laptop or use your desktop site on your phone to make it easier and better. If you enjoyed this tutorial, do not forget to give me a like and share. And also, if you try switching from your phone to your laptop and you see some changes, let me know in your comment section. I'm always here for you. Subscribe for more.